how to fix Instagram story collage option not showing. So if you want to fix your Instagram story collage option not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you need to just open up your Instagram or just simply search for Instagram. Tap and hold on to your Instagram application. Go with the app info. Under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and clear the cache. Now after clearing your cache, you need to go back and then open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Instagram, and after searching, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it. After updating your Instagram, you need to go with open, which will be on the right side. Now you need to go with your story, which will be in the top left. Tap on the plus button. Go with camera. Now tap on layout. And here you need to go with the bottom left and then select the photos that you would like to add. In this way, you'll be able to use the collage option. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.